Welcome, everyone. This is Ginger. I am glad that you could join me today. We are going to do a sneak peek of our happy place. I think this paper pack is wonderful for scrapbooking and card making. Just sit back and relax. I won't be talking till the end, and I hope you enjoy the preview. Thanks. Thank you for stopping by today. I hope you like this paper pack. I've left a link for it below. I just think it is super adorable, and even if you can't use the cut-aparts, the backs of these papers are wonderful to make sympathy cards, hello, how are you doing cards, all sorts of things. And hopefully I'll be showcasing this pack soon. See you later. And thanks for stopping by. If you like videos like this, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Here's a video from YouTube that you may enjoy. Have a pleasant day.